Hello from Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles Lounge in Istanbul Airport. It is midnight and most food stations are closed for daily cleanup. Salads, desserts, sandwiches, cakes, cheese toast, lentil soup and beverages are available though. When I have a stopover this late in Istanbul, it's more important to me that I can take a shower and freshen up. The lucky ones with stopovers between 4 and 9 hours and one flight longer than 8 hours get sleeping lounges if they have lounge access. We boarded the plane a little after 1 a.m. I was lucky, because no other passengers were sitting next to me. I was therefore able to turn 4 seats into a relatively comfortable bed. I chose a standard dinner as part of the food service. It consisted of baked beans, moussaka with rice, salad and chocolate mousse for dessert. The food was good, but not outstanding. A blanket and cushion were waiting for me on the seat, and the product offer also included over-ear headphones, a rich amenity kit and a health protection kit with FF2 mask. Breakfast was an omelette with cheese, roasted vegetables and toast with cheese, which altogether was not good at all and was very watery. On top of it we got yogurt and a standard cheese plate and a drink of choice. The best part of a flight to the Seychelles is landing in this tropical pearl. We flew on an Airbus A330-300, registration TCLNF, which was 5 years old at the time of the flight.
children. We hope that you had a pleasant flight. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off, and do not open the overhead bins. You may use your electronic devices. Please be careful while opening the overhead bins when the aircraft reaches its final parking position. Thank you for flying with Turkish Airlines, a member of Star Alliance. We would like to say goodbye and hope to meet you again.
Deboarding is by stairs on foot, and there is just a short walk to the immigrations. Thank you for yet another nice flight, Turkish Airlines. See you again soon.